Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Polish veggie salad. For that we are going to have to cook a few things. Number one, eggs. I have 4 eggs over here. We are going to drop them in the cold water and we're going to put this on the stove and we're going to cook these eggs 6 minutes from the boiling start. First thing we're going to need is 4 carrots. I'm going to drop them in the cold water, and yes, they are not peeled. I know that. I always cook my veggies for that salad not peeled. To peel them when I pull them out from the pan. 1 parsnip, it's kind of huge but I couldn't find smaller. 2 gold potatoes, and over here I already cut it. Over here it's this size, it's like a small size of a celery root. So I cut it off and I'm going to take a bigger part of a celery root and into the pan. And we're going to cook them until I'm going to be able to put the fork into my each veggie. I will show you when it's going to be ready to be pulled out. And here we go. Let's put this on the stove and start cooking. I am not, at this point, I am not adding any salt or anything else into this. I just want to have them cook. The eggs are ready. I'm just going to drop them in the water with ice. Now let's see. Our veggies, almost. I can pull it easily, kind of. There are some restrictions, but this one is ready. Yep. So I'm going to pull out, and it broke. It doesn't matter. Okay. So every time check if you can place your fork in the veggie. It means it is ready. Potatoes not ready yet, and the celery not. For sure not the parsnip not yet. Okay, we're going to finish up a little bit. This one is ready too, the second one. Carrots are always first to go, then it's usually celery and potatoes, and parsnip, because it's bigger, it's going to be the last one. So always check, because you don't want to overcook that, because it's going to be mushy and you don't just want this tender. So let's peel them out. Okay. Oh, they're hot. Hot. Okay. So peel them when they are still warm. I'm just going to break them because I don't care if they're broken, because we're going to cut them. Okay. And they are really easy to peel when they are still warm. There you go. Let's cut. So let's start with the eggs. They are peeled. I will show you how I cut them. This is how big or how small the cuts I want to be. I cut maybe the carrots too, so I can show you the size of the carrots I want you to cut. What we're going to add is the leek, that white part of the leek. Why I'm putting a leek into the salad instead of onion? Because onion has a tendency to release the juice, and if you do not eat that salad within 2 days of having inside the onion, then this salad will go bad really quickly because of that onion juice. So what I do, I just cut the leek in like few strings and just cut them in small slices. It doesn't need to be too much because leek is powerful enough, right? Like a big tablespoon of a leek Other thing we're going to add is 1 apple. Which one? Don't choose the green one, it's usually not the good one. You want something that is crunchy and sweet. Apples go in. One more thing we need to add, and it is pickles. So those are the old style cucumbers in a brine. You can usually find them in any international market. Let me see. I'm going to cut like 1 big one and 1 smaller one, except that long thing. Okay. That we're going to need is the whole kernel corns and the sweet peas. I'm not going to add whole cans of them. It's going to be too much. I'm just going to add like half and half of them. And do not add juice, just add peas and the corn, not the juice. Pour out all the juice. So we need pepper. How much? Depends on your tastes. If you would like more spicy, you can add more. A nice teaspoon of pepper. And now we need a salt. Usually like around 2 teaspoons or a little bit more. The thing is, like, you guys have to try it, and just remember, the next day the salt will go into the veggies and might not be enough, so just check it out if it's salty or not, and you might need to adjust your salts depending on your likiness next day. And of course, the salad is the best next day. Need 2 things: mayo, and actually this is my favorite mayo. I'm going to link this in the description. I found it on Amazon, available too. And another thing we're going to need is a mustard. Use any kind of mustard that you like. I actually like that company, Spicy Brown Mustard. Of the mustard, like a good teaspoon of a mustard. More spicy, you can add a little bit more of a mustard, but the mustard and the mayo in the salad, it cuts that edge with a taste, and it is the best salad ever. So I've been making this salad with my mom and my sister since I was 8-year-old, I think. Yeah, both me and my sister were very young when we started to cook in the house. My mom, she was teaching us how to cook by helping her, and that was the best time to be in the kitchen. Mayo, I usually add around 3 tablespoons, and I mix and then I check, because I don't want to add too much and I don't want to add not enough. You want to have that nice amount so it mixes around with everything and it stays together. Another thing, do not overmix that or mix that and smoosh everything. Veggies are not overcooked, so they shouldn't be smooshed, but still. Let's try if we have enough salt. Not enough salt. Definitely not. Oh, I think altogether I added like 4 to 5 teaspoons of salt, but it depends on how much salt you like. This is how much you should add. So definitely check it out for your likiness. Now we're going to cover this, leave it in the fridge, and we're going to try it tomorrow, because tomorrow is the best ever going to be. See what we made yesterday? My husband already ate some. So it has to be good. All right, let's put some on the plate. It looks really good. A little bit about that salad. This salad, I made it since I was like 8-9 years old. Me and my sister, we cooked a lot in a kitchen in Poland when we were kids with my mom. And this salad on the Polish tables, it's basically all the time. Very often you're going to see that salad on the Polish tables for any major holidays, for weddings, for any parties. This salad is the #1 salad, the veggie salad that Polish people love, and they will have it always on their table. There are different variations, of course, to the salads. They put some other stuff. My aunt, she was also putting bell pepper, fresh bell pepper to it. So, or you can also add some radish, but make sure that you salt the radish before you drop it in the actual salad, because radish, when it's salted, is going to release water. So just make sure you do not make that mistake, and it's going to be a swimmy salad. All right, taste test. If I made it good. It's going to be too much. Oh my god. Really good. I will tell you one thing. This is why I've been checking the veggies if they are fork tender and pulling them out right away when I can put the fork in, because these veggies are not overcooked whatsoever. This is a very major tip for that salad. Always check your veggies. Do not assume that they are not ready yet. Put the fork in. If you can go through it, pull it out, it is ready, and check it very often, because it is easy to overcook those veggies and then the salad is not going to be good anymore. So I cannot resist. Oh my god. This is perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, late supper, whatever you like. It is always staple in my house. My sister loves it too. If you're going to ask, this is the #1 salad that always was and is and will be in my house. Hopefully it will be also in your house. So if you liked it, today's video, comment me if you ever made it and you tried that Polish veggie salad. Let me know if you liked it, if you would maybe add something, or maybe you already tried it and you know that there was some extra that people added. I always like to know extra tips if you have it from a friend or a family that served that salad for you already. That's always a great thing to know. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.